Earning $50,000 in 3 months through affiliate marketing may seem ambitious, but it's possible with the right strategies and focus. Start by selecting a niche with high demand and profit potential. Focus on niches like technology, finance, or health. Consider programs offering high payouts and pick a niche you're passionate about to create authentic content. Focusing on high-ticket products accelerates your path to $50,000. Promote items offering $500 to $1,000 plus per sale. Highlight the product's value through persuasive content. This reduces the number of transactions needed to hit your goal. Paid ads offer faster results than organic growth. Use Google Ads and Facebook ads to reach your audience. Optimize your campaigns through split testing to drive targeted traffic to your offers. A strong sales funnel converts leads into buyers effectively. Create a landing page with compelling CTAs. Use email sequences to nurture leads and include testimonials to boost trust. Content marketing builds trust. Write blogs or shoot videos about your affiliate products to engage users. Use SEO to rank higher in search results and gain organic traffic, positioning yourself as an authority. Social media platforms can amplify your reach. Share videos and testimonials to promote your products. Engage with followers to build trust, using platforms like Instagram and TikTok for quick and wide engagement. Partner with influencers to boost visibility. Collaborate with influencers to promote your affiliate offers. Find influencers with followers that match your target audience to drive traffic and increase sales. Recurring commission programs provide long-term income. Promote subscription-based products and choose high retention rates. Combine these with high-ticket offers for diversified income. This creates a steady revenue stream over time. Regularly monitor your efforts to improve performance. Use analytics to measure clicks, conversions, and revenue. Identify successful strategies to scale them and continuously refine your campaigns for better results. Consistency and adaptability are vital. Dedicate daily time to creating content and running ads. By focusing on high-ticket products, leveraging paid ads, building a strong funnel, and providing value, your $50,000 goal is within reach.